Welcome to the world of microgreens. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or a beginner, these tiny microgreens are best way to add nutrition to your meals. Let us learn how to grow microgreens and explore the materials that are required to grow them. So these are two trays, as you can see, one with holes, one without holes. Our growing medium for this is cocoa peat, a water sprinkler to spray water, seeds, organic and non-GMO seeds, and some weights. Make sure the growing medium is flat because we don't want the seeds to overlap when we are sowing the seeds. The second step is sowing. So take your seeds and sprinkle them evenly over the surface. Make sure it is very close to each other but not overlapping. Step 3 is to spray the water and make sure the seeds are moist and ready to germinate. We take the bottom tray and keep it on top. We add some weights. Here you're using some rocks. You can take paper weight or any rocks of your choice. We keep the trays as it is with weights until we see the seeds germinating. And once you see the seeds germinating, you can remove the weight and you can see that the seeds have germinated. Then take the top tray. Here we have kept the bottom tray invertedly on top. This is called doming stage, and doming stage is nothing but keeping the microgreen dark space. You can use the bottom tray to do doming, or you can also keep the whole tray in a place where it is completely dark and there is no light. So we keep the tray in doming stage until the greens are about 1.5 to 2 inch height, or for 2 to 3 days depending on the variety of microgreen. Then we remove the tray like this. As you can see, the greens have already grown tall. We keep it in the bottom, the tray without the holes, and we can start bottom watering. So we can give water directly to the roots. So we pour water in this. So you can see the greens are still yellow in color because we had not given them any light. Once you expose them to light for about 2 to 3 days depending on the variety, they turn green and they grow tall. And once it is having 2 true leaves and about 2 inches tall, it is ready for harvest. Some basic things to keep in mind while growing microgreens are to have good aeration around the place that you are keeping your trays, and make sure you have no light during the doming stage, and to also keep checking for water each day so that the seeds don't go dry.